a subsoiler. I think it's a Taylor-way. Looks like it's got like 21-inch shank on it up to the bottom of that. It's got this ball on a chain that'll go down in the bottom of your rip or shank to get more opening down there. It is 3-point hitch hookup, but the 3-point hitch hookup Taylor-way. I think it's got category 2 pins in it right now. It's good and straight. It's heavy. I mean, this thing's heavy. We just got it leaning up against this to balance it so you can see what it is. But you're going to buy it absolute on Tractor House Auction. But a single shank subsoiler of this weight, a little bit hard to find. It does have non-factory welds over here, okay? And this has a little bit of a bend to it where they've been hooking it. Probably had a heavier tractor on it, but it's still good and functional. They've re-welded that many years ago. And that's probably where the old plate was they painted over. But it's a Taylor-way. You're going to buy it absolute on Tractor House Auction.